I grew up with this guy. I know him like the back of my palm. I can vouch for him. I can even stake my dollars.
I came to rescue my brother's mind. I want to ruin it.
How can you leave your brother at home all alone with your wife?
Make me miss my period!
Have you not been menstruating? Don't I perform as your husband?
You should be happy because you finally restored joy, happiness, love, and what have you in your brother's marriage.
Uju, you're my elder brother's wife.
Trust nobody.
Trudy will be the last person on this planet Earth to even think it.
I'm talking about my problem, you're laughing.
You are very caring, fun to be with. Unlike my husband who is totally mean and cold.
Happiness that is built on lies and deceit.
Judy!
I am your father.
Why would she even assume that there's something wrong with us? I am not going to see any doctor on this account. That's the door. Use it.
What is there in following your woman?